Hello, good day. Last video, I appreciate every one of you that spent time to look at this video, and thank you today for coming to my channel. Today we'll look into some videos, some lectures, sorry. Last previously we look as you have it on the screen, we looked at some keywords, the print keyword, the input, and the type keyword. Then today we'll also look at some keywords which talk about the length, which is the length, the sum, the minimum, and the maximum. Then we'll also look at a data type set. After this, I'll take time and teach on each of the data types. So roughly, let's get started. The main, the length keyword. The length keyword is used to find the maximum of an iterable, the maximum of a particular list. Let's have, for instance, we have this 32 and 43. To return the maximum, have the maximum as 2. Okay, sorry for that. We'll have this. Uh, we have the length. Sorry, I'm not using maximum. I'm using the length. The length of this iterable is 2. Then when we go for the maximum, look at the maximum of 32 and 43. We have the maximum as 43. So this function, the length, the maximum, and also the minimum goes the other way around, which is 23 and 43. We have it as this. We have it just this way. It gives me the minimum to be 23. So in the same vein, as it goes for string, it also applies. As it goes for list, it also applies to strings. Now let's look at the string. I have a string called the string A equal to John Paul. Then I find the length of A. I tell the length of A is 8. That they have 8 characters in the word John Paul. And if I go for the max of A, I have it as shoe. That is the maximum letter there. When you look at it alphabetically, that is the maximum. Then I can go for the main of A, gives me the minimum number, the minimum alphabet here, which is also A. So from here you can see that the max function is used for both strings and for integers as well as for lists. Let's see something. We have max 2, 3. It gives me 3. The maximum is 3. So have it here as 3. So even apart from having a list, I can put it in an without putting it in an iterable. I can make my maximum function just with an integer. So the maximum function, the minimum function, the length works for iterables such as lists. It also works for integers and it also works for strings. So quickly, let's look at the sum function. The sum function. I have sum. I have integers like 12, 13, 43. It gives me an error because sum takes at least 2 arguments, but 3 given. They will see how to do that programmatically. So I have sum of 3 and 5. Int object is not an iterable, so I need an iterable. So to make use of sum, I'm just trying to show you that sum works on an iterable, such like a list 5 and gives me the sum as 23. Gives me the sum as 23. So I'll show you programmatically later in the next video. We'll concentrate mainly on a data type integer. We'll do different works with integer, how to add, how to subtract, how to build some functions with integer. Then for progress to float. Thank you for coming and thank you for watching to this video to the end. I appreciate you. Please do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also share the video. Thank you very much. See you in my next video tomorrow.